welcome back to Crazy Craft Creations. I'm so excited for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Shelby, and for the past few weeks I've been pouring my heart into a brand new project, and today's the day I finally get to share it with you. These are my brand new homemade DIY wooden ornament kits. I designed these from scratch, and today we're not going to just unbox one. We're going to make all 5 of the new designs together, step by step. I'll show you exactly what you get, how to make them, and talk about all the fun ways you can customize them. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and it would mean the world to me for you to join our little creative community.
Join us! Join us!
Okay, let's open one of these up. So when you order it, this is how it will arrive. I wanted it to feel like opening a present. As a brand new small business, we wanted to make a big impression. The little details matter to us. Every single one of these is hand-packed by me and my husband with so much love. And for $15, I wanted to make sure you have everything you need to make a beautiful finished ornament. First, you get the laser cut ornament pieces. These are made from beautiful, lightweight basswood. And as you can see, they are layered to create this amazing 3D effect. It just makes them look so professional. This one is our reindeer ornament, personalized with any name you choose. Next, you'll get your paint. You get a trio of non-toxic acrylic paints. And the best part is, you get to choose your color palette when you order. My crafting secret weapon, you get a bottle of Mod Podge. This is going to be our glue to assemble the 3D layers. It's also going to be our sealer to give that beautiful protective finish that will make it last for years. You also get a trio of paintbrushes, a nice large flat one for the base coats, a thin flat one, and a tiny brush for adding extra detail. And finally, a piece of jute string for hanging. I love this because it gives that cozy, slightly rustic farmhouse feel. Seriously, all this for $15? It's not just an ornament, it's an activity. It's a screen-free afternoon for your kids. It's a gift for a teacher, a friend, or let's just be honest, yourself. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's get to painting. All right, first up, this adorable snowman. He's so classic. As you can see, we have the main head, the hat brim, the hat itself, and then these tiny face pieces and the carrot nose. I'm starting with white for his head. And here's a little tip. 2 thin coats of paint is always better than 1 thick globby coat. While that dries, I'll paint the hat black and the nose orange. This is the part I love. It's so relaxing. This is such a great starter kit for kids because the pieces are big and easy to paint. You don't have to worry about painting in the lines because the laser cuts do all the work for you. Now for the magic. I'm taking a tiny bit of Mod Podge on my brush and just painting it on the back of the hat brim. Then stick it right on. See? Instantly 3D. Let's add the hat, the nose, and the face. One of my most favorite decorative staple pieces for Christmas has to be snowmen. They're filled with so much joy and love, and just really get me into the Christmas spirit. What about you? What's your favorite decor pieces for Christmas? Let me know down in the comments. To finish, I'm painting a thin layer of Mod Podge right over the top. Don't worry, it looks white but it dries perfectly clear and gives it a beautiful protective sheen. Look at him! How cute is that? Next up, this gorgeous intricate snowflake. This one says up to snow good, which I think is so fun. This one is so simple to make. For this, I'm going to paint the main snowflake a beautiful silver, and while that dries, I'll paint the background a frosty blue. The laser cut details on this are just amazing. This is one of my favorites to give as a gift to a friend. It's fun, it's chic, and it looks so professional when it's done. The key here is to let your paint dry completely before you glue. Once it is, just a little Mod Podge on the back of the centerpiece and press down. How simple was that? The contrast between the silver and the blue, I love it. Okay, this one might just be my favorite because it's inspired by my dad's favorite saying. It's a whole little world in a snow globe. You have the back piece, the middle layer with the trees and Santa's sleigh, and the merry happy base. I'm painting the trees green, the base red, and I'm going to leave the sleigh and reindeer as is because I love the natural wood look against the paint. But you could paint them if you want. That's the beauty of these kits. They're very fluid. Okay, we're building from the back forward. Look at that, it's a little diorama. I'm obsessed. All right, people, I seem to be a little obsessed with snow over here. You got your snowman, your snow globe, and your snowflake. Okay, you can't have a Christmas collection without a classic ornament ball. This one is minimalistic, with a beautiful big bow, and the Merry Christmas text that layers on top. So elegant. I'm sticking with the classic colors here. A beautiful deep red for the bow, and the base will be a vibrant green. This will make it really pop. This is where that little detail brush in the kit comes in handy, to add fine, tiny details like this. Just take your time. Remember, it's handmade. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be yours. That's what makes it special. Look at that depth. This would be stunning on a tree with all white lights. And last, but definitely not least, is the one I'm most excited about. Our personalized reindeer. When you order this kit on the website, you type in the name you want and we cut it for you. I mean, come on, how special is that? Especially for $15. This is another one the kids go crazy for. They love painting the little reindeer and building it like a 3D puzzle. There are just a few more pieces here, but that just means more fun. I'm painting the reindeer a classic brown, the antlers a lighter tan, and of course a bright red nose. For the scarf, I'll do a nice deep green to be festive. This is the one. This is the gift for grandparents that will make them cry. Imagine their grandchild's name painted by the child themselves. It's a forever keepsake. It's perfect for baby's first Christmas, for your pets. I know my dogs will definitely be getting one. It's just the most thoughtful custom gift. I designed these kits to be an easy, affordable way for you to connect with your family, to make memories, and to create something beautiful and handmade in a world that's so digital. They are perfect for a cozy weekend, a kid's holiday party, a stocking stuffer, or that hard-to-buy-for person on your list. And just like that, 5 beautiful handmade 3D ornaments. These are available to order in my shop right now. The link is at the very top of the description box right below this video. I'm so proud of how these turned out, and I truly cannot wait to see what you create with them. And remember, they're all $12.50 except the reindeer, which is $15. You get to pick your own paints and your own custom name if you get the reindeer. Because we are a tiny new business, we have a limited quantity available to make sure we can get them all to you in time for Christmas. So please, don't wait if you want one. Your support truly means the world to me. And even better, from now to the end of the year, we're offering free shipping on orders over $35. And as an even extra special surprise, we're offering a 10% off coupon for all of our shop members. It's good from November 7th to December 27th. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and crafting along. I had so much fun. And if you get a kit, please take a picture and tag me on Facebook. Again, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to tune in next week because we're going to be making our holiday sign kits. From my craft room to yours, thank you for supporting this dream of mine. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!